Hello friends. Today I'm repairing an acoustic column called MOLNIYA 10,000. Manufacturer Ural. It doesn't turn on, nothing happens. Here's the toggle switch. It doesn't work. It doesn't turn on. The consumption is 170 milliamps. It doesn't matter whether the switch is on or off. The LED indicator says that there is some consumption. I'm disassembling it and looking at what's wrong. I took the column apart. Inside is the main board and the power supply. Let's start with the power supply. I'll unfasten two connectors. Let's mix the wires. There's also this cable. You need to pull everything out and look. The column started working. The problem was in the power switch. It was possible to fix it. It rang in one direction, but not in the other. Had to disassemble. There we have. Unfortunately, I did not take a picture of what was inside. There is a plate and a ball. It can be disassembled. The ball presses the plate first one way and then the other. There is grease. I removed it. It created bad contact. I cleaned everything. Mechanically cleaned it. I assembled the button and it started ringing. I simply restored the old button. I installed everything and everything worked. Let's check again.
Питание включено. Bluetooth.
I'll assemble it to the end and test it again. Our current consumption is 560 milliamps when on. When off, 540 or 520 milliamps. This means the battery is working. It's charging. The indicator shows this. The battery here is powerful. 6 or 8 batteries. We check the speaker. There is a light indicator. The speaker is charging. We try to turn it on.
Питание включено. Bluetooth.
The speaker turned on. I already checked it. Now I can't shoot video or turn on music via Bluetooth. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe, like, good luck with your repairs. Bye.